Overdrafting. I have 20 rupees in my account but I can withdraw 50 rupees. This facilities have been availed by the bank with the name overdrafting. So basically overdrafting means availing or getting more amount of money than what I actually maintained in my account is overdrafting. It's just like loan, but let's try to understand features and then we'll get back to know what actually is overdrafting. First, so who can avail it? It can be availed by the salaried person, business person or anyone. Now it is given based on the credit worthiness, your credit history and a whole lot of other financial factors. So it's just like the credit scores and all those things that we see before availing loan. The same things will be seen for the overdrafting facility, but the terms and policies and all will be different. So anyone can avail it. Now how much amount? So if suppose I'm an employee, so based on my current salary there will be number of times present, like let's say as of this moment in the market I can provide an overdraft facility for you as an employee for 4 times of your salary. So that is a limit, let's say. And similarly there will be limits for the business based on the types and nature and kinds of the business. So that was the amount. And now if we compare the interest that is charged on the amount, so first of all we need to understand that overdraft facilities I have, let's say I have overdraft facility today, but I am not charged with any interest because I have not used it. Let's say I have 1 lakh in my account already and I have taken an overdraft facility for next 1 year. So it's like maximum of 1 year is the duration for which we can avail the overdraft, and if you want again we can get the procedure initiated again, but the maximum tenure is 1 year. Now let's say today I took the overdraft facility, I have it for next 1 year, but I have not charged anything at all because I have some amount in my account already, so I'm not using overdraft. Oh, let's say tomorrow I have some medical facility urgence required, then I was charged with 3 lakhs. So in that case my account has 1 lakh but I need 3 lakhs. So instead of asking anyone for any kind of loans or even informing the bank, I can simply withdraw 3 lakhs. So in this case 1 lakh was there in my account already and 2 lakh is the extra amount that I withdraw from my account which was not even there. So I can say 2 lakh is part of overdraft facility and it was under my limit, under my provided limit. Okay, so the time or the minute I withdraw it, from that day onwards I will be charged the interest on the withdrawal amount, not the overall the capacity. Okay, so that is one thing. And what is the duration of paying back? It's like credit card. If I withdraw something, I have 1 month grace period after which bill will be generated. Post that I will be given 1 more month or 15 days to pay back, and if not then interest is charged. But in overdraft it's like the minute I withdraw, the minute I will start getting charged, and there is no limit of like within 1 month or within 2 months you need to repay. I can have it lifelong, I will never pay it back. But what is the negative impact here? Because I'm not paying anything, they will report it to the debit department of government. Okay, now with this there's some negative or red spot on my credit history, but still the due that I have to pay to the bank is there. So basically there is no limit on within how much duration I need to repay back, but I should do it as soon as possible because there is a huge interest rate, and more the duration the less or the more it's getting affected on our credit score. So that is the duration. And coming to interest, so the interest on overdraft is way more higher than cash credit or any other low level of loans. It's why is that? So if I say the interest that is charged on cash credit is very low. So if you don't know what is cash credit, that's fine, we'll talk in the upcoming video. And if you already know, you might get confused between the cash credit and the overdraft, so we'll talk about the difference as well in the upcoming video. But for now let's try to understand that overdraft is not for business. It's not something which I'm availing because I have some urgency or anything of that sort. It's basically for personal use. I can use it for business as well, but it's for my individual usage, and it's not specifically like okay I need some working capital. It's a kind of activity which is going to contribute to the economy. So that kind of activity is not there in the overdraft. That's why, like, though I can use the overdraft availed amount on any purpose, business purpose, my consumer products or anything, and because it is for personal use, it's comparatively higher interest rate than compared to cash credit. Now cash credit is meant for some specific purpose, we'll talk about that in its corresponding video. But yeah, compared to cash credit, we have higher interest on overdraft. Now, what is the procedure of getting or availing this overdraft? So overdraft basically itself is an account, so I can either fill the required application forms and get the OD account. Otherwise, I can have it the OD facility on the account that I'm already using. It might be the savings account, it might be the current accounts, anything. So basically I can have the feature on my existing accounts, or I can create a new accounts. So that is the way we can avail it. We talked about the interest, and that's all for today. Now in the next video we are going to consider the same overdraft facility, and we are going to understand cash credit, and we're going to find the difference. So any terminology that you didn't understood here, please do mention in the comment section, or you will find it in the dpoint finance playlist video.